Hey y'all, it's Zoe. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing video for my new laptop because as you know in my last video I was saying I was having problems with my old one. First world problems, I know, but I had to get it. I finally got a new laptop, so we're going to do an unboxing today.
Hey y'all, it's Zoe. Welcome back to
Alright, I gotta go out of the room. Alright. You're using the YouTube voice.
The YouTube voice, what?
Hey y'all, it's Zoe. I'm going outside. Alex, will you be able to control yourself?
Maybe.
Just come outside with her, so you don't distract her.
I'll come out when I'm done.
Alright. You can leave that in for a blooper reel.
I don't have YouTuber voice.
You literally were just doing your YouTuber voice. Hey y'all, it's Zoe.
Oh my god.
It do be a YouTuber voice.
Really?
Yeah. Say hey y'all, it's Zoe.
Hey y'all, it's Zoe.
Now do it if you're doing an intro.
Hey y'all. Okay, fine. I guess my voice changes a little bit. Hey y'all, it's Zoe. Hey y'all, it's Zoe and welcome back to another video on my channel. I have really great news for you. I finally got a new computer. In my last video, I said that I was having major computer problems and I was just getting really stressed out because I never knew like when it would turn on and it was just making things really difficult. So I got a new one, which I'm happy about but also sad about because I really do like my old one and I just felt bad because it was like still pretty new. So anyways, today I'm going to be unboxing for you the 2020 MacBook Air. I actually have an old unboxing video of the MacBook Pro I have. It's like right next to me, actually right here. This is my old computer. I actually have an unboxing video of this. I think I put it on Instagram because that was like before I did YouTube. But anyways, so let's take it out of the cardboard box. Oh, here it is. So MacBook Air. Yay. All right, let's start opening it. Let me take the plastic wrap off. This is so satisfying. It just like kind of just peels off. Okay. Alrighty. Let's open this baby up and show what's inside. All right, let me switch the camera. All right, so when we open the box, here is the computer. So let's finish opening it. All right, so the difference between Airs and Pros is that, ooh, the camera's falling, is that the Air is a little bit thinner than the Pro. Just a little. So like as you can tell, like it's a lot thinner on the sides, like in comparison to the Pro, which is like kind of thicker. But anyways, this is what it looks like. So let's take this off. That's also kind of satisfying, not gonna lie. And we just slide it off like that. And here it is. It's very thin, a lot thinner than my other one. And basically what else is in the box is the charger. So it looks like the block is a little bit smaller than the block I have now, which might be nice. I guess since it's thinner, it needs like less of a charge. But the charger is still the same. And then it comes with like the manual, the Apple stickers, and I think that's it. So that's pretty much it for this unboxing video. It's pretty, oh, I guess here, I'll open it first. All right, so let's see. Oop, there we go. See, that's what it's supposed to do when you open it. It's supposed to make that noise. So it's starting up right now, but as you can see, it has the little finger ID, which is different from my Pro. My Pro didn't have that. But the Pros have the touch bar and the Airs don't. Ooh, look how pretty that is. And I didn't really want the touch bar. So yeah, so I'm gonna go set up this computer. Hopefully everything works out okay and transfers okay. And then I'm working on like getting a new case for it. I have a sleeve from my old computer that I think it'll still fit. But I'm gonna work on like getting a screen protector and I can't wait to like put stickers on it and stuff like that. So that was my unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it. This was the 2020 MacBook Air. And I'm so glad to be finally making more videos for y'all again. I can't wait to begin editing again and it's gonna be so much fun. I actually downloaded this software on my old computer. It's now my old computer. Anyways, I downloaded this new movie editing software. I haven't tested it out, which I guess I won't really need to since I have my new one now. So I will see you all in the next video. Bye!